Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw capital letter alphabets. Subscribe to our channel. First we are using and mixing the color of yellow. Kids, subscribe to our channel. First we draw the alphabet of A. A for apple, A for ant. And the next one is B. Now we draw the alphabet of B. B for ball, B for bat. The next one is C. C for cow, C for cat. Kids, subscribe to our channel. Now we draw D. D for dog, D for doll. The next one is E. And the next one is F. The alphabet of F. F for fish, F for fan. The next one is G. Now we draw the alphabet of G. The next one is H. H for hand. Now we are using the color of blue. Kids, now we are using the color of blue. Subscribe to our channel. Now we draw the alphabet of H. H for hand. The next one is I. I for ice. And the next one is J. Now we draw the alphabet of K. The next one is L. Now we draw M. M for moon, M for mango. Subscribe to our channel. The next one is N. N for nose, N for nest. The next one is O. Now we draw O. And the next one is P. The next one is Q. Q for queen. The next one is R. R for rose, R for rice. Subscribe to our channel. Now we draw S. The next one is T. Now we draw the alphabet of U. And the next one is V. V for van. The next one is W. Now we use blue color. The next one is X. Now we draw Y. And the last one is Z. Today we draw capital letter alphabets A to Z. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.